has only two factors. One is 1, the number 1, and another factor is the number itself, right? So other than 1 and number itself, it doesn't have any other factor. Such numbers are called prime numbers. And what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are the numbers which can be represented as the product of two or more numbers. That means a composite number will have factors other than 1 and the number itself, right? So if any number which has factors other than 1 and the number itself, it is called composite number, right? So what is coprime number? Coprime numbers is actually a set of two natural numbers having no common factors other than 1. So any two numbers like 3 and 4, where this 3 is a prime number, but this 4 is actually a composite number, right? But together, if I write 3 and 4, they don't have any common factor. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. And if I talk about the factors of 4, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, right? So if I see the list of the factors of both 3 and 4, they have only one common factor, right, which is 1. So 3 and 4 will be called coprime numbers. Then you can have numbers like 12 and 13. 12 is an even number, but 13 is an odd number, and at the same time it is a prime number also, right? But there are no common factors between 12 and 13. So 12 and 13 will also be called as coprime numbers. And now let me take one more example. Suppose if I take 8 and 15. The factors of 8 are 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Then if I try to write other factors of 8, they will be 2, 4 and 8. And if I write the set of all the factors of 15, of course 1 will be there, then we'll have 3, then we'll have 5, and after that we'll have 15, right? And now if we see these two sets and search for the common factors, we have only one common factor, which is 1, right? But if we see them independently, this 8 is a composite number because it can be written as 4 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 4 or 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This 15 is also a composite number. This can be written as 3 multiplied by 5, right? So if we see them individually, both of them are composite numbers, but together they are coprime because they don't have any factor other than 1 common in them, right? So this group of 8 and 5, this is also called set of coprime numbers, right? So now you understood what is coprime number. Coprime numbers is actually a set of two natural numbers having no common factors other than 1. So those two numbers can individually be either prime numbers or they can be composite numbers, but between themselves they don't have any common factor other than 1, right? So they are called coprime numbers. Okay, and now let's talk about twin prime numbers. So what is twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers is actually a set of two prime numbers having difference of 2. So that means any consecutive two prime numbers which have difference of 2 can be called twin prime numbers. Suppose 3 and 5. Both of them are prime numbers, right? And at the same time they have difference of 2 between them. So they will be called twin prime numbers. And if I talk about 5 and 7, they are also called twin prime numbers because both of them are prime numbers and they have difference of 2 between them.